Hey everyone, my name's Katarina if you're new here, and for today's video I wanted to do just a quick little try on haul of a bunch of stuff I got from SHEIN. I'm gonna split it into two parts because there's so much stuff. This is just part one and I have a whole nother pile for part two. So starting off, I already have one of the pieces on. It's this cute like Easter summer dress. It's so cute, and even though I have big boobs, like I feel like they fit perfectly in here and they're still being supported. And it has this nice little slit going up my leg, but it's not too high and it's not too low. I think it is a little see-through. I don't know if you could tell. It is just a little see-through, but other than that, it fits perfectly. It's like an ankle length. It's very form-fitting and it's very flattering. And it has these cute little flowers on it. I love the design. It's literally perfect for spring and summer. And as I try on this stuff, just let me know which piece you like the best. Okay, so next up is this little like lounging around set. I probably wouldn't wear this out. I don't know if I would wear this to sleep, but it is comfortable just to hang out around the house or clean or whatever. These shorts, it's hard to explain. You can tell they're like a cotton material. They're very soft. They're not like flat. You can see it's raised. It has this design on it. And then this is just a cute little koala that says good night. This is not a matching set. This is just a random top. And then these shorts were part of like a 3-pack. But I thought they looked cute together. So what do you guys think? So next up is a matching set. These little bottoms have little teddy bears on it. And then the top has a little teddy bear face that says nice day. It's cute. I like it. Very comfy. Except like I said for that other set, it's perfect for like lounging around the house. These are very stretchy too. Like they're not like suffocating or anything. I can do everything. It almost feels like I have nothing on though. It's so lightweight and breathable too. And I just love the cute little design. Look at the little teddy bear. We have another lounging around set. These shorts are definitely like a little bit longer. They're a little frilled at the bottom too. And it's a matching set with some cows. Very cute, right? Perfect for just hanging around the house. A lot of these are like, the tops are cropped, but my boobs are so big, like it just looks like a sports bra at this point. But regardless, it's still very comfortable. And I love the design. Little polka dots and everything. Alright, so these shorts were part of that 3-piece set of shorts. As you can see, they're shorter than the previous pair of shorts. And they don't exactly match this top. This top, you could interchange with the other bottoms, the cow ones, it'll match. But this top just was standalone. But I mean, it's pretty basic, so it probably matches anything. These shorts actually have a similar like flower design to the dress I wore earlier. It's cute. Honestly, I would wear these shorts out. I feel like they're long enough, maybe. I can't really tell. But this top is more so for hanging around the house. Alright, so lastly, ignore the top. I don't have anything else to change into to match this skirt right now, but this skirt, it has shorts on the bottom and then it has like this little flap on top to make it look like a skirt, like almost a layered skirt, and it's very stretchy. It's almost like an athletic skirt, so I would definitely wear this to the gym, or if I'm like running, playing. This is like a typical tennis skirt. Very cute. Like you could do squats, nothing's gonna show because you have the shorts underneath. And it's like the perfect length. If you want to go on a run, nothing's gonna come out. So it's perfect. Thank you for watching this part 1 of my SHEIN try on haul. So all of this stuff is from SHEIN. Let me know what your favorite piece or what your favorite, outfit combined is in the comments down below. And I'll be coming out with a part 2 shortly. Thank you.